Hi everyone, this is about as raw as I can get. Chemo hiccups. Found them straight for 2 days. Actually, I think 3 days. Um, they wake me up, so I get them every about an hour and a half. Anytime that I have a level change, it seems. Okay, let's get to the point so I can get rid of these. Man, I look like shit, but hey, I got cancer, so I don't give a shit. How to get rid of hiccups? Cup of water, not too cold because you're gonna chug it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until I hiccup. I'm gonna exhale, and then I'm gonna take a really big inhale, as big as I can. I'm gonna slowly drink this water, trying to take one sip every second until I get to 20 seconds. Here goes. Works like a charm. I'll explain why in the article. Much love.